This is the new Maserati MC20 tuned by Mansory. In terms of design, the soft kit contains many add-on carbon parts and can be also combined with a full carbon front bonnet on request. The powertrain has been updated too. The biturbo 3-liter V6 mid-engine delivers 720 horsepower and 850 Nm of torque instead of the standard 630 horsepower and 730 Nm. The increased performance data sends the MC20 into the super sports cars category with a top speed of 330 km per hour and a sprint from 0 to 100 km per hour in just 2.7 seconds. Guys, if you like the new MC20, please subscribe and hit the like button. Thanks.